da ka jingtrang ban sakhi markhmat ya ka jingdon jongki jingkieng jri ha Mawkyrnot pen usla Myntri Forest ka sarkar jala u James ki sangma ha ka sisa jan ulahir hi dalade syakatei ka jaka ka bla paunam keleng ha ka jingdon jongki jingkieng jri ya Myntri lasan ran langru ha ka negasngi da u SDO u arpid upadhya nangta kinongelam jong ka living root bridges hapo ka jingelam jong uba morning bat kiwe ha ka tege singi Myntri ulahir shadow try jong ka tege jingkeng ha ka bawla pulut por katu kat ne baru ban ya hajrong jong ki ki jingkeng jri ban poi sya ka jaka bandon ki ki jingkeng kinong wan kai kinha ban hiar kumba arajat li ki mawkyndon bat la khainlang kulum bat bahir bat bakeu kin poi haru 1,000 tli ki mawkyndon hakene gesngi Myntri ula ai ke jingero ya ki nongpe ya ke te jingkeng jri ki balala ban penwandur ya ki klem ke jinglek pulie henry da ke jing start mariang ke bala ai sobha da unong thau
Notam nilai na kaliang orang pak sino. Jong kani ke sino Mawkyrnot u bala kloi ban no senia hak ban edor rengkat hak kani ke sik ba mentah. Bat kumjur na kaliang Sherman jong khon long trai lai kan thai ki baju penya jadi kendau siap apa jo karak siapa jongi bat kumjur yau ba riban roy u badai sekretari jong kani kakam tengah sengo ba kaji pelak por joki hak kani ke por kalau gaji kerkhun nak beta jongi bat kumjur ya baru aku member jong ka neka foundation jongi haka ba kilaya perlak por ban ya poilang wat ini member nadu karu ngasutenat ya ka jing perlak por ban ya dorengka haka nesi ka bamenta nomor ka jingking jri marwoi ubri umla ban le ka jingking jri kalong ka pi bakalong Haduh kan ne ka jingking jri ko piaya ngatharai lada kajing tray ka kanom dunaya ka sapos ni.
Reproduce and protect. In the sense that our elders, some of them, they couldn't get a chance to walk on the bridge that they made. But our generation now, we are very happy that we have these structures. And so as we should think also about the future, that our future will experience the same what we have now. So, kaseng ni day ka living information kawai na kiseng tremon subha hapak ke jelam akhira kawai pet sabang kini ki kam ke berdaya sabang ke jing start tenrai cong membarim kawai de ke jing kenji kawai jing start tenrai ke bah bin pro nuda kemitan kita dapat perkhatan ki tapi hiam fokus pada sim jumut hiam iba pada jumut suai kan nomor ba kana ba kam kawai tak besmar khasi tala emno semar lai jitik sokar noba temput tenrai la jitik sokar Drai nakina sa kiba ki basian mi kiba sempang bang peniador di tidem diput menjadi.
Our respected SDO Civil, Mr. Arpit Upadhyay, the chairman of the Living Roots Foundation, our Morningstar, the headman and the clan members of Mawkyrnot village, all the members of the Living Roots Foundation who are present here, Manba, members of the press, and other friends and village elders who are present here. I just, first of all, would like to thank our Morningstar for having given me this opportunity and this privilege and this honor to be part of this closing ceremony for the hands-on program, hands-on roots program that is seeing its closing ceremony today. And very importantly, the opportunity to witness myself the amazing bioengineering that has taken place here in this village. And today I just wanted to say this bar morning that today's experience is for me nothing short of spiritual, because this really is an experience where you are amazed at the way how nature is and the way that it humbles each and every one of us. And I'm very thankful for this opportunity, and it's really, for me today, really an amazing experience and a deep honor, and I think I am the one who should be thanking you rather than me thanking me for being here. It's also been so enlightening, I can't say, to listen to all the village elders speak today. Be it Ba Robert, or it be Ba Jeevan, or Ba Plat Singh, the Birdman, or as you call him, the Tarzan, local Tarzan. It's really so amazing the kind of rich knowledge that our elders have. And for me as a Forest and Environment Minister, I think that we have always maintained, or rather I have always maintained that today when we look at the way that climate change is affecting not just our state but the entire world, and for us as a state, having this unique biodiversity that we have, this unique traditional knowledge that we have, I think that it's very important to go back and look deep within ourselves and to see and to really preserve this kind of knowledge and to see that we leave this knowledge for our future generations. And that's something that I'm really thankful to the Living Roots Foundation for doing that, in terms of the preservation of our traditional knowledge, in terms of even the conservation efforts that you are doing to preserve what we have. As all our village elders, Bajivan had mentioned, that there is so much of threat that these living root architecture, the bioengineering that we have, these kind of delicate structures, the threat that they are facing, and it's so important that somebody takes up the mantle and the responsibility for protection and conservation of these very, very delicate ecosystems that we have.